Announce the number. Okay. Good. Good. They're very happy to be here with us as well. The 29th Canada-wide Ethiopian tournament and Mikias Maru Memorial champions of 2025 Edmonton Lions. Let's go! Yes, Danny, please hand them the cup. The big one, yes. Congratulations, Edmonton. Captain Marcus, Coach Baruch, Birhan, thank you guys. Appreciate you guys. Thank you. All the trophy ceremonies will be announced at the concert. Abdukia will be performing tonight. Come see us. Thank you guys. Congratulations, Edmonton. Thank you very much, Vancouver. Let's go! Hello guys, Edmonton, congratulations again, Vancouver, amazing people, thank you so much. We still have work to do guys, please pick up stuff after yourself. We still have to clean up the field, have a concert. Please come and support us. Thank you, Vancouver, and have a good night.